Hey there, fellow Venmo users. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech tips to make your digital life a breeze. Today, we're diving into how to decline a Venmo payment in 2025. Whether you're dealing with a wrong charge, an unsolicited request, or just changing your mind, knowing how to handle this can save you time and potential headaches. Let's jump right in. First off, why would you need to decline a payment? In 2025, Venmo has made its interface even more user-friendly, but mistakes happen. Maybe a friend sent money by accident, or you're not ready to accept a split bill. The good news is, declining is straightforward and quick. Step 1. Make sure you have the Venmo app updated to the latest version for 2025. Open the app on your smartphone and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, head to the Requests or Payments tab. Depending on your app settings, it might be labeled as Activity. Step 2. Locate the specific payment you want to decline. It should show up as a pending request or incoming payment. Tap on it to open the details. You'll see options like Accept or Decline. Simply select Decline. Venmo might ask for a quick confirmation to prevent accidental taps. If the payment has already been sent and is in your balance, things are a bit different. Go to your main balance, find the transaction, and look for the Dispute or Return option. Venmo's 2025 updates include easier dispute tools, so follow the prompts to send it back. A few pro tips. Always check the reason for the payment before acting. If it's a scam, report it immediately through Venmo's safety features. Also, remember that declining doesn't affect your account negatively, but it might notify the sender. There you have it. Declining a Venmo payment is as easy as a few taps. If this helped, give us a like, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and hit that bell icon. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.